What's up, guys? So today we're going to do a rust removal on the frame on the Trailblazer. Show you what I got right quick. Got this kit at Harbor Freight for $10, $2, $12, 6, and then 10, and then 6. It's all equaled out to like $40. This is brake clean. You're going to need this too for sure. Don't need tape. The tape is to tape off the areas where I'm going to paint. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is take off the front wheels, jack it up, take the grill off and the bumper off, and lift the hood because there's some areas under the hood I want to get to by the strut mounts. But yeah, I'm going to do that right now. I'm not going to do that on camera because I don't got much space left. So took off the front bumper and the front wheel. Talking about right here, I don't know if I'm going to do this today, but got to do some getting it there. I mean, I already painted over some of the worst of the spots, but I ain't sanded, so today we're going to sand all this shit down, get it done, get under here, get back to you guys after I'm done sanding this shit. Alright, I got everything set up. I got a N95 mask on and some goggles on. I'm going to get to this shit right now. Before, after. Alright, so this is going to end the video. Depending if I could trim the clip or not. Depending on if I could trim the clip or not. I already said that once in the video, but I'm fucking shot. I cut my leg open with that thing, so yeah, that's gonna be it. This is part 1. I had to end it for today because it started raining out, so that's it. Peace.